Today we're going to be talking about the TowPro, and this is the latest version, the V3 that Red Arc have released. We've got this great display unit that allows us to show you all the components and how to operate the version 3. We have the button that's been installed into the vehicle that allows you to fully control the brake unit, and the brake unit itself that's been mounted behind the dash. The brake unit, when installed into the vehicle, will automatically be in sleep mode. So that means there'll be no lights displayed on the button. Once a trailer with electric brakes is fitted, then you will see the button come alive with the glowing of a light. It has two modes: proportional braking, which is known as automatic braking by Red Arc, and time-based braking, which is known as solid-state braking. You can swap between the modes quite simply and easily. You simply have to have a trailer with electric brakes connected to the vehicle. Turn the dial to 0, apply your foot on the brake, and double-click the button twice. You will then see it'll change from blue to green or green to blue. Once this is done, you can then reset the power settings. When you want to change back to the original setting or back to the other mode, again, turn it to 0, apply your foot on the brake, and double-click the button. It'll then change to the original mode. When setting the power, every trailer is different, depending on the age and how they've been adjusted. You might find that you have it on 2, 4, 6, or anything in between. Every trailer is separate, and you'll have to adjust this to your trailer's requirements. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this demonstration.